In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the color theme in Google Chrome. Whether you want to customize Chrome with your favorite colors or install a new theme, it's quick and easy. First, open Google Chrome and create a new tab. On the new tab page, click Customize Chrome in the bottom right corner. If you don't see it, look for the Customize Chrome button or the pencil icon. In the side panel, select Color and Theme. You'll see a variety of preset color combinations. Click any color theme to preview it instantly or choose a custom color if you want a more personalized look. Your changes are saved automatically. If you'd like even more themes, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Appearance, then select Theme. This opens the Chrome Web Store, where you can browse and install official Chrome themes. When you find a theme you like, click Add to Chrome. The new theme will be applied automatically. If you want to return to Chrome's original appearance, open Settings, go to Appearance, and click Reset to default next to the theme option. That's how to change the color theme in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.